how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a pumpkin face. It's going to be just kind of the face section, and it's going to be very easy for beginners, by the way. So for beginners, for kids, for anybody, we're going to be using this marker, so let's get started. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the page so that you can see a lot of posts in the next few days for Halloween. So let's get going. I'm going to start with straight line angled downward. It's gonna be for one of the left eye of the pumpkin, or the pumpkin face. Start another line right here, starting at the top, pulling downward. So we got the kind of like lesser than sign, and we are going to close that off. So essentially, the triangle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to kind of duplicate that shape on the other side. It doesn't have to be the same, by the way. Think of it like a mirrored image, but you don't have to make it identical. Pull straight over here. So the idea is that imperfection is completely fine. We're not robots. If you do it imperfect, it's okay. If anything, it sometimes makes it better. It makes it so like it doesn't look like it was printed out, but if it does, it looks cool too. And so we have these two triangles facing away from each other. And I'm going to start with the nose, and the nose is going to be straight on the top. It's going to be a little bit upside down here. Down. Right here. So you have a downside triangle. It kind of looks like a cat face almost. And now what we're going to do is, actually before we do that, I'm going to fill these in completely black. Be careful with the edges. Marker is permanent, you won't be able to move it. And right here, it's a lot easier because it's kind of a big small space. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come in and do the mouth. The mouth is going to be jagged. So you're going to do this seesaw shape. And don't worry about the number of seesaws in it. It's completely fine. See, I did that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spikes. Doesn't have to be 8 spikes, could be 10. It's up to you. You can make it wider, but just remember that seesaw shape. Pulling in here, down, and we're gonna try to mirror that shape. And that doesn't even have to match each other. And then we're gonna tie it together at the end. So now next thing and last thing, we're gonna fill this shape in. Sometimes I kind of do a circular motion right here because what I really want is I want to get that entire area wet first, kind of around the same time, so that it dries close to the same value, so you don't have like this patchiness. But you know, there'll always be patchiness, don't worry about that. The eye will read it as one shape normally, so don't worry about the patchiness at all. I see too many people just sitting there like, you know, don't do that. This medium is not meant for that. And that's it. That's a very simple and easy pumpkin face. Thank you so much, guys. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to be posting videos constantly for the next few days, so I will see you in the next video. Also, don't forget, we have drawing guides. There are drawing guides made up, and what I did was I took a lot of the past videos on here. I took 100 of the past videos. Actually, it's 101. And I made drawing guides for them. They're 6-step drawing guides. They're actually made, it's a PDF, and it's made 8.5 by 11. So it's made page size. So if you want to print it out, it's easy to print. It is $5. So it's 100 for $5. So that's literally 5 cents for each drawing guide, and it's only going to be around till Halloween, so the next about 20 days. Thank you guys, as of this video. So thank you guys, check that out before it's gone, and I'll put the link of that in the description. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video, guys. See you soon.